Most women don't have a time problem. They have a planning problem. If you've ever sat down on a Monday feeling overwhelmed, scattered, or just unsure where to start, this is exactly why. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I plan my entire week in just 30 minutes using a simple system that helps me feel clear, calm, and completely in control of my time. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say hello. My name is Alexis, and I help women become well-planned and productive so they can create a life that actually feels as good as it looks. And what I found is that productivity isn't about doing more. It's about having a system that helps you focus on what matters. So today, I'm walking you through my exact weekly planning routine step by step. This is the same system I use every week to manage my life, my business, and my goals without burnout. Before we get into the system, I want to quickly explain why most weekly planning routines don't work. So, most people keep everything in their head. They try to plan reactively instead of strategically, or they create unrealistic to-do lists that they can't follow through on. And this is exactly what leads to overwhelm. So what we want instead is a system that gets everything out of your head, organizes your priorities, and gives your week structure. All right, let's walk through the system. First, I do a full brain dump. I write down tasks, ideas, things I've been putting off, anything that's taking up mental space in my brain. The goal here is simple. Get everything out of your head and onto paper because clarity starts when your mind is clear. Next, I organize everything into my key objectives for the week. So I usually focus on three main areas: my personal life, work business, and my life admin. Then I ask what actually matters this week. This is where we shift from being busy to being intentional. Remember, you could fill your time in a week with anything, but anything isn't going to move your goals forward. So you want to intentionally choose what is going to get your focus first. Now I start mapping out my week. I add in appointments and commitments. I assign tasks to specific days to get them done. I block time for important or deep work. And most importantly, I don't try to do everything in one day. I spread my priorities across the week so it actually feels manageable. For each day, I choose my top 3 tasks. These are the things that actually move my life forward, or things that need to get done no matter what. So this keeps me focused and prevents me feeling like I'm being pulled in a million different directions. When you plan your week this way, everything changes. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, procrastinating, or constantly playing catch up, you start your week feeling clear, focused, in control, and that's really the goal of productivity. Now, if you want to follow my exact weekly planning system, you need to download my free Well-Planned and Productive Woman Essential Planning Guide. It walks you through all of my functional planning routines and provides prompts to guide your planning. And if you want a planner that can contain all of this and all of the functional planning routines that I teach, you need to start using the Charmed Life Master Planner. I'll leave a link to both the planning guide and the planner in the description box. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like. Feel free to share it with anyone you think would also find it helpful. And if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos by me. And until next time, bye-bye.